Hello, today in this video I will show you how to add bootstrap in Angular application. Okay, first I will change this front-end design. Okay, here my application src and app. Under app.component.html, and here delete all line and h1 tag hello Angular h1. Okay, and check my font is changed. Okay, now I'll add bootstrap in my page. Try to plus bg info and check change or not. Now first install bootstrap. Open command line and import this line in style.scss. Open and close this one and styles.scss. Click one and import this line. Okay, and bootstrap is install my application and run the server ng-serve. And here I add one class bootstrap plus bg info. And here this is my bootstrap version is 5.0.1. okay, under package.json and compile successful and check output. Add bootstrap is successful and change info and danger. Okay, check. Okay, thank you.